Hey YouTube, I hope that everyone's having a good day today. It is Alan here again, and today I'm back. Let me get up a little bit. Today I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a little different. So I know this is not going to tailor to everybody, but I know that this is going to help somebody. So I was like, you know what, I got to make this video. But pretty much today I wanted to talk to everybody about how to remove scabs after a hair transplant. So as you guys know, my skin is the most sensitive skin in the world. I've had every single issue when it comes to my skin. So of course, after a hair transplant, I had issues with my skin, with scabs, with dried blood. And I was actually really concerned after my hair transplant because I didn't want to ruin the grafts that were placed on my head. And I was super concerned with, like, you know, if I peeled the scabs off, if it would take the grafts that were just implanted on my head. So I was told to add this foam to my head for the first 14 days and this shampoo. So the way that the process worked that my doctor gave me was to pretty much apply a foam for one day. Then on the day that I'm not applying the foam, I would put shampoo on my hair. So I was supposed to do that for the first 14 days. Now, after 14 days, you're allowed to go into your scalp and massage it. So this is the area that I found very difficult with, because when I was massaging my scalp, pretty much what had happened was, I'm gonna insert the picture so you guys can get an idea exactly of what my head looked like. But pretty much when I was trying to massage my scalp, I wasn't able to massage it because I had dried blood on the grafts. So it was really important to ensure that I take those scabs and those dried blood off without, you know, without ruining the grafts that were just implanted. So I was looking online, and actually one of my friends had given me this tip, and it's super easy, guys. Pretty much what I ended up doing was I ended up getting a water bottle like this, a spray bottle like this, adding warm water with it, and then I pretty much added baby oil to it, and then I shook it, you know, so that it can get spread all around the spray bottle, and then I sprayed the scabs wherever the scabs were. And then I left it alone for about 2 to 3 hours. I came back and I repeated it. I probably did it for about 2 to 3 times a day for about 3 days. And guys, that actually helped me tremendously and allowed all of the dry blood to come off. And for me, this helped me so much, and it gave me so much relief. This is exactly what my head looked like after all of the scabs were removed. So I was so happy. And also too, guys, just a random tip that I want to give everybody. For the first 2 months, I obviously washed my body inside of the shower just normally. And then with this, in my language, this is actually called a tasa. But I don't know what it's called. I guess it's called a bowl in English. But what I did was I hand washed my hair for the first 2 months. And the reason why I did that is because, for example, like, the pressure from the shower can be so strong, and you don't want to affect the grafts that were just implanted in your hair. So for the first 2 months, I was just hand washing my hair with the shampoo and allowing all of the, you know, the scabs and like the scalp to be clean on its own. But after 2 months, I was good to go with the normal shower head. But even still then, I put it on light pressure, and I kind of put my head away from it so that it's not like directly hitting my head. But that's just a random tip, guys. If you guys have any other tips that can help anybody when it comes to scabs or dried blood, I noticed that on YouTube there's not any videos on this. So the whole point of my channel, guys, is to help people, whether it's physically, emotionally, mentally. So if you guys have any tips that can help anybody, feel free to put it in the comment link below. And please like this video so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.